Have you ever signed an employment contract without fully understanding the terms? Or maybe you have been offered a job but are unsure what your right and obligation are under the agreement. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about employment contract, from what they should include to how to negotiate better terms and what to do if you face issue later. What you learn today: what an employment contract is and why it is important, key components that should be included in every employment contract, the difference between full-time, part-time and freelance contract, how to negotiate your employment contract effectively, what to do if you feel your contract has been violated. What is an employment contract? An employment contract is a legally binding agreement between an employer and an employee outlining the term of employment. It governs the employee role, compensation, benefit, job responsibility, and the expectation of both parties. What is it important? Employment contract protect both the employer and the employees. They set clear expectation, avoid misunderstanding, and provide legal recourse in case of dispute. When are employment contract used? Employment contract can be used for full-time employees, part-time workers, freelancer, or contractor. Each type of employment has different terms that need to be outlined. Key components of an employment contract: job title and responsibility. The contract should clearly state your job title, primary duties, and responsibility. This is essential to avoid any confusion regarding what is expected from you. Compensation and benefits. Your salary, hourly wage, or project payment should be explicitly mentioned, along with any bonus, benefits, or other incentive offers by the company. Working hour and location. The contract will specify your working hours, including overtime expectation, as well as where you will work. For remote position, the location or flexibility may be defined. Contract length and termination. Employment contract often outline the length of employment and the condition under which either party can terminate the agreement. This include notice period, reason for termination, and any service package detail. Non-compete and confidential clause. These clauses restrict your ability to work for competitors or use property information after leaving the company. Understanding this clause is crucial to avoid restriction on further employment. Intellectual property and ownership. If you are working in a critical role or developing product, the contract should define who owns the intellectual property you create during your employment. Type of employment contract. Full-time employment contract. These contracts offer a fixed salary and full benefits such as health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans. Full time employees often have more job security and benefit. Part time employment contract. Part time contract outline fewer working hours and may or may not include benefit. This contract offer more flexibility but usually less job security and fewer benefits than full time contract. Freelancer or contractor agreement. Freelancer and contractors work on a project by project basis and are usually not entitled to benefits like full time employees. This contract will define the scope of work, deadline, payment terms, and the nature of the working relationship. Temporary contract. Temporary contracts are often used for short term or seasonal work. They are usually set for a specific period and outline whether the contract can be extended or converted into a permanent position. Negotiating your employment contract. Know your worth. Before entering into negotiation, research the market rate for your role. Understanding industry standard will help you negotiate fair pay and benefits. Consider non monetary benefits. Negotiation is not just about salary. Consider negotiating additional vacation days, flexible work hour, professional development opportunity, or other perks like gym membership or child care assistance. Ask for clarity. If anything in the contract is under unclear or ambiguous, ask for clarification. This could be related to your job description, performance expectation, or any restrictive clause. Seek legal advice. Before signing the contract, it is advisable to seek legal advice to ensure that you fully understand the term and that there nothing unfair to illegal in the agreement. What to do if your contract is violated? Document everything. If you believe the term of your contract have been violated, non-payments of wage, unfair dismissals, document everything including this includes email meetings and any correspondence related to the issue. Talk to your employer. The first step should always be to communicate with our employer if possible. Resolve the issue directly with your manager or HR department. Seek legal action. If the issue is not resolved internally, you may need to consult with a labor attorney or file a legal claim for breach of contract or unfair treatment. Employment contracts are crucial for setting clear expectation in the workplace and protecting both employees and employers. Whether you are negotiating the term of your first job or you are a second professional, understanding your contract is essential to ensure that your rights are upheld. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. If you have a question or want to share your experience with employment contract, leave a comment below. We will be happy to help.